Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video we are going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Ivory Coast. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, many countries are going towards e-visas because they are very easy to apply and it boosts tourism too. So even Ivory Coast has this process. So in front of you, I have opened the online services website. This was not in English, but I used Google Translator and this was in English now. So I click on e-visa. The process they have given, like you need to fill the application and you need to pay. Documents, what are the things you need? Passport ID page, round trip flight tickets, you can say return ticket, letter of invitation or certificate of accommodation. You can fill your application here, and then after that, you once you get their response, means it is approved or refused. If approved, you can go there, travel, and then you can enroll at the airport. Means your biometrics will be taken while you go to the airport. What are the things you need? There's a visa registration, okay, approved document, okay, passport, international certificate of vaccine again, yellow fever, okay, and you have all other information here. So let's see how it goes through. Registration valid for 3 months. Deliverance at the airport. Okay, all tax included. The fees also they have given. Next step, personal info. So I'm just gonna put sample. Okay, you have to do it yours uh, as per your case. Just to navigate. Of course, I won't be submitting it. Country of birth, you need to do as per your case. Place of birth, nationality at birth. Just sample, guys. Current nationality, marital status. I can go to the next step. Additional personal information, address, postal code, country of residence, whatever is applicable in your case. Email, confirm email, verification code. Okay, so you need to put email. You can click on verify email. Then a verification code will be sent here. Then telephone profession. Let me, okay, I cannot go to next screen. So I'll finish this verification and I'll see you guys again. Okay, so now after I go through that page, I come here, additional personal information, passport number, do it as per your case. Issuing country, issue date, pickup location, from where you're gonna get the visa, reason for travel, arrival date, return. You have to upload travel document, ticket, hotel, not to accept any job during your stay. So that means you'll not get work there. Let me see if I can bypass this. Next step. Oh, invalid date of departure. May. Oh, arrival date 30 April. Ah, come on, man. or at least that warning is gone. So I'm gonna put the files here again, and then I'm gonna. So I was through that step also. Now in this last step, I have to put the contact info, family in Ivory Coast if you have, address of stay in Ivory Coast, and then next step is the payment. So of course I'm not gonna do that, but now you got the idea. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.